Hello everyone, I'm Mark Bridge with the Bridge Multifamily team at Cushman & Wakefield, and we're here at a new recently purchased property in Placentia, California, where the partnership is doing a full renovation, and I wanted to show you how intense it can get. Come on inside. The partnership bought this property at a 4.5 current cap rate. The partnership is hoping to get it to a 5.5 market cap rate upon completion of all the renovations and the rents being increased. You can see there's going to be a lot of renovations taking place, interior and exterior. We are now standing in front of one of the units that's being renovated. At the close of escrow, this rent was $1,500, and ownership is now hoping to get it to $2,250 after the completion of the renovations. This property had a strong value add component to it upon purchase, so just be careful when you're estimating the budget and the time frame on these. Be very conservative because you can get carried away. And as you can see here, they're doing a lot of work. Some of it includes granite countertops, new cabinets, new vinyl plank flooring, double pane vinyl windows, new paint and texture, new bathroom vanities, recessed lighting, and the list goes on and on. So we're down on the bottom story of the 2-story unit, and you can see how much untapped potential this unit has and how ownership has been able to renovate downstairs and upstairs and hopefully increase the rents even higher than they could have had it been a 1-story unit. So now we're in another one of the units that's being renovated on the property, and this one is in a different stage of being renovated. This one is down to the studs. The kitchen's gonna be all brand new, the flooring, and a lot of other things that are gonna take place in this unit to max the rent and try to get to that $2,250, same as the other unit. So as you can tell, this unit has a lot of renovations that still need to be completed, but once ownership has finished this unit, they'll be able to move on to the next unit. They've got a couple more to complete. Once those are done, this property should be at the market value that they were hoping to achieve upon the purchase of the building. So if all goes well, ownership here will have been able to increase their market cap rate a full 1%, which is very hard to do in today's market. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate it. Please follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.